Boop, 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 boop. A ver si. Oh. Ya está grabando. It's recording. Hello African gold growers, how are you today? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to give you 7 powerful ideas how you can start a strategic business in Africa with very low risk, with very low investment, and start training yourself, your skills as entrepreneurs. Because you need to remember that the most important thing is to practice. The only way to acquire your skills as entrepreneur is practicing in the ground. If this is the first time you visit us, welcome to African Gold Growers Academy.